Hey guys, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make the most delicious brownies you have ever tasted. They are egg-free and totally vegan. So why don't we get into it? Our first ingredient will be 1 cup of sucanat sugar. You can also use date sugar or coconut sugar. Those will work perfectly fine. Next, we're going to add in 3/4 cups of coconut oil. And we're gonna mix these two together. Next, we're going to add in 1 cup of warm water. Now you're gonna mix this together. If you see an oil and water separation, that is natural. Don't worry, it's nothing bad. It's just they're not the best of friends, you could say. In a separate bowl, we're going to mix together 6 tablespoons of flaxseed meal, and also 1 cup of water. Now this will create a flaxseed egg that will take the appearance of an egg yolk. It's a more healthier way of making your own flaxseed egg. Now we're going to combine the flaxseed egg with the rest of our ingredients, and we're going to mix this very well. Now we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You can get a no alcohol vanilla extract at Trader Joe's. I will link it in the description, the link where you can buy it from. It's the best one. It's the one I always love using. Now we're going to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of Carob powder, which I will link in the description where you can buy it, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and last but not least, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix this well together and our brownie is soon going to be ready. Now bake this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. And here are the finished results. You can top it off with the fruit of your choice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon.